Installation and operation of 3-valve manifold. The 3-valve manifold consists of 2 isolation valves and 1 equalizing valve. Its main functions include connecting or isolating the high and low pressure sides of a differential pressure transmitter. The equalizing valve balances the pressure between both sides. This prevents damage to the transmitter diaphragms from excessive differential pressure. Here are the 4 bolts and the 3-valve manifold. The 4 bolts correspond to the 4 mounting holes on the transmitter. The O-rings on the manifold align with the process ports of the transmitter. Tighten the 4 bolts evenly to complete installation. Installation completed. Before use, ensure that all valves are fully closed. When starting operation, first open the equalizing valve. Then slowly open the high-pressure isolation valve. This allows pressure on both sides of the transmitter to equalize. Next, close the equalizing valve. Slowly open the low-pressure isolation valve. The transmitter is now in normal operation. 3-valve opening procedure completed. Next is the shutdown procedure. First, close the high-pressure isolation valve. Then open the equalizing valve. Finally, close the low-pressure isolation valve. 3-valve shutdown completed.